If you drive a Ram 1500, there's a small engine noise many owners hear and ignore completely. But that sound can become a very expensive problem.
Most of the time, this sound appears during cold starts, a quick ticking noise coming from the engine that disappears once the truck warms up. Because the truck runs normally, many owners assume the sound is harmless. But inside the engine, something very different may already be starting. This noise is commonly called the HEMI tick. And while sometimes it can be harmless, other times it's the first warning sign. Inside the 5.7 HEMI engine, lifters ride directly against the camshaft. These parts must move smoothly and constantly rotate while the engine runs. But when a lifter begins to fail, it may stop rotating properly, and that's when the camshaft lobe begins wearing down. At first, the only symptom might be a light ticking sound, something easy to ignore, especially if the engine still feels strong. But as the camshaft continues wearing down, the damage slowly spreads through the valve train system inside the engine.
And this is where things start getting expensive for many Ram owners.
Once the camshaft is damaged, the repair usually involves replacing the camshaft, lifters, and removing several major engine components. By the time this repair is complete, the cost can easily reach between $2,000 and $4,000.
All starting from a small ticking sound that many owners believed was completely normal.
There are a few warning signs you should pay attention to before the damage becomes serious. The first is a ticking sound during cold starts that slowly becomes more noticeable over time. Another warning sign is a ticking sound coming from the top part of the engine. That's usually where the valve train components like lifters and camshaft are located. If that noise continues getting louder over time, it's often a signal that internal wear is increasing. Ignoring that sound for months or years can allow small wear to turn into major engine damage. And by the time the noise becomes obvious, the repair is usually much more expensive. That's why experienced mechanics often recommend checking unusual engine noises early.
It's not a hurt deal. Sometimes the issue turns out to be minor and inexpensive to fix.
But when it's not, catching the problem early can save thousands of dollars. Because with the 5.7 HEMI engine, that small ticking sound isn't always harmless. Sometimes it's the first warning that something inside the engine is already starting to fail. If you drive a Ram 1500, have you ever heard this ticking sound before? Let me know in the comments and tell me your truck's year.